Hello guys, this is Milan from Hypermedia, and in today's video I want to talk about affiliate marketing, and not in the traditional way like all the YouTubers do, that they are talk about how to make money with affiliate marketing or how to be an affiliate or any kind of things like that. I want to talk about the other side. So how as a company you can use affiliate marketing to gain traction, to build your brand even more. So as you know, I don't like product advertising and don't like really one-time ads. So basically I go for the long run usually, because as we know, if something is good in short term, probably not gonna get the same results in the long run. However, the thing is that with affiliate marketing, it's almost the same. So in the short run, it's maybe not going to be as successful as it should be, because you will basically investing in a stock which is the influencer, and you betting that the stock goes up. And if it's not goes up, just maintaining, because probably he's not gonna lose any followers, he's just gonna maintain it or anything like that, but not gonna grow. So this is it. And yeah, by the way, you can always scrap that contract and go on and find another one. So we are looking affiliate marketing in the company's perspective. So for first, you have to decide what kind of affiliate marketing you want to do. So there are the ClickBank ones where basically anyone can run ads for you for a certain percentage. They can do social ads, they can do Google ads, they can promote on their platform, they can do anything they ever want just to promote your brand for a certain percentage. This is I think, the laziest approach you can have. The next one is when you are basically putting down an affiliate sponsorship link, and anyone who is applying to it will, will get a link. It's almost like before ones, but it has to be a little bit more on the interested side. So the influencer has to be a little bit more interested into your brand than just go onto ClickBank, and anyone who wants can get affiliate sponsors, because they are not sponsors, actually they are just affiliate links. But so this is the second one, which are going to be not as lazy approach, but I think it's not good at all. It's not good, because you're gonna get somebody a link and they can do whatever they want, and you don't control them, don't look after them, don't do anything with them. Yeah, their purpose is the same, selling your stuff, because this is how they get money, but I think that's not the approach you should use. So then there comes the for, third type of affiliate marketing you can do, and this is the one that you just put out again in your footer, website footer, your application to affiliate marketing, and then the people who is applying, you will see their profiles. You will go through their profiles, go through their social medias, maybe talk to them, maybe phoning them, maybe emailing them, maybe anything like that. I just want you to a little bit know that influencer, and know the deep purpose of him. Okay, not the deep, but at least the surface purpose of them, and at least look at their profile and see if their profile is resonate with your brand message. Because let's say in the fitness industry, if there is a guy, a power lifter actually, with heavy weights, and your brand is about fitness, then yeah, it's okay, it can be work, but I would like to go with the fitness brand with the fitness side of it. So targeting the people that are fitness oriented, not powerlifting oriented, because the powerlifters gonna get an audience of mostly powerlifters. Okay, so you feel me? You get what I'm trying to say here. Okay, and for this type of affiliate marketing, you just get a link where if they buy, you get, you know, the cookies and the checking numbers, as well as get a percentage again. And this is uh, the type of marketing where you can control your influencers, because in the previous two you can't really control, but here you can contract them and cut a deal with them in terms of they get a salary even in top of their commission, as well, if they are good, of course, as well as they got free stuffs, or not free stuffs, just a big discount, or as well as they got team membership, let's say, team membership, which is going to be, by the way, great. In the later section of the video, I'm going to tell what is it. But the thing is, if you are contracting with them, you can not control, because that's not a good word, and you should never try to control your influencers, but influence them to what they should provide you, actually, because if you are contracting with an influencer, you can include in the contract that they provide you some kind of content, and you don't have to repost their content. They not have to, but they should create you different content than themselves, or not different, but new content, actually, just the fresh content for your page. This is why, by the way, it is super good and actually useful if you are doing this, in my opinion, because you can in this way control them, but not too much that you shouldn't allow certain posts to go out, because that's not your stuff, man. You are a company, you're a brand, and if you don't like what your influencer is doing, then cut him out or her out. But otherwise, just let it go, let it grow, and always remember that you're investing in a stock, basically investing in a stock, and the stock goes up and down, up and down, and if they are in an upturn, they will go higher and higher highs and lower lows. But okay, lower highs. Sorry, higher lows. Fuck man. I know this, but okay. So higher lows. Okay, and the fourth type is when you are not giving them a link but giving them a discount code. It's almost the same, but it's not kind of, because you will have an unlimited discount, which can be good, but once you start discounting your products, the problem is that people will get used to the discounted price, so they won't buy the full priced products as often or as much as they would if you not discount them. But if you are providing a 10% discount always, then yeah, and they get used to it, then you can price it the way that you are at the same place if you're not providing the discount. But in the long run, if something is working in the short term, it's have a higher chance of not working in the long run in marketing, actually. So yeah, you gotta think about it. But if you want to do this, and also this is almost the same as the third type, because it's going to be the same team membership, providing content, contracting them, paying them salary, commissions. Okay, so these was the four types. I highly recommend to do the third and the fourth one. The second and the first one is shit in its own. It's deployable and it's usable in certain industries, that's for sure. But okay, so in certain industries it's a good way. So right now, let's say how you can set it up. It's pretty easily. Probably most of the hosting services that you use, Shopify, Wix, and all kind of stuff, it can implement, like with 5-10 clicks, you can implement an affiliate program with code or without code, actually. So it's pretty fucking easy. If you don't then hire someone to do it, and don't do it yourself because it's not gonna be easy. that easy. So yeah, but it's not gonna be hard. I promise you. You can set it up pretty easily. So let's talk about the contracts and the commissions and the pays. So this, I said that you should pay a salary and a commission. Salary is not necessary, but commission is of course necessary. And I believe that the better deals you get your influencers, which is benefit you of course and benefit them of course, and the better deal you give them, the better results they will bring to you. And yeah, of course, money is not a motivator, and usually people get used to their salary and get used to their commission. However, if you have improvement options, so for example, if they sell this amount, they have 10%. If they sell this amount, they have 15%. Or if they sell this amount, they have this amount of free products. If they sell this amount, they have this amount of free products. Okay? So like you have to manage this. Or maybe you are not giving out free products, and that's completely your choice. However, I recommend that if you are contracting with someone that is representing your brand, that don't be cheap. Okay, so if you're a bigger brand, of course, if you're a small brand with 10K revenue a year, then yeah, okay, give them a discount and don't lose money on them. But if they are selling good, then you shouldn't be cheap. Okay, so and they are representing your brand, so they should always wear your things first. They shouldn't wait. Of course, this can be solved with other methods, but I think providing them free stuffs is only just helping them as well as helping you, because they will stay longer if they get free stuffs and good commission and good salary. Okay, so but salary is not necessary. And the thing is that I think you shouldn't be cheap, because actually if they maybe one day taking a part of from you and going into another direction, then you don't want them to say bad things about you. It's not gonna be playing out bad to you, as well as, by the way, them, but it's not gonna be paying out for you. Okay, so let's go and see what is good about this. So actually, if you're paying them and giving them free stuffs, they should provide you content in return, as well as, okay, of course, sales, but they should provide you content because you need to post something. And if you have 10 influencers, they can provide you with a shit ton of content, and you can post a shit ton of things. So it's cool, as well as you can post your stories. So yeah, do your stuff as and put this in contract that they should give and provide you content, and let's say free content week, free different kind of fresh content week. And if your influencers are good, then they will give you one. Okay, so let's see what kind of influencers you should choose. So how to choose influencers in the right way as a company. So basically the thing is you have to be watching them and get people that are related to your brand message. I said that before, but this is a really crucial step. You have to ask yourself, would these people be a good representative of your brand? Of course, this is a fucking general question, but you have to think with your customers head. So basically, would you be happy if your customers see these people in your clothes, with your supplements, with your products, with your services, with any related stuff? And would these people be good people in your customers' eyes? Because your customers is your number one priority. Okay, so you have to think about this, that if these people was a good fit or would be a good fit to your company. Actually, this is the main reason how you choose. This is the main thing which you need to consider when you are choosing your influencer. As well as you have to be choosing an influencer with the quality content and all that kind of stuff. But as I said, there is nowadays uh, it's not about size. So nowadays it's all about engagement rate and all about connections, as I always say, which you should do and build as a brand too. So what it means is that nowadays usually brands, and I myself would go with micro influencers for first and then moving on to bigger and bigger ones. Micro influencers means that under 10k followers, they are good because their following is super concentrated and super useful to you. And they can monetize their stuff super easily. So you have to think about it, that you should be giving them good rates and free products, and they will support you. And yes, it would be good rates, but if you're getting these rates to a big influencers with more than 100k, they will laugh at you because they are not working for that low of rate of, for example, or tracking number or something like that. So you have to be considering that, which is gonna be important for you. But the smaller influencers are good because you can have at first more, which is spread out your audience more, as well as you can have them cheaper. So you have like 5 small influencers or one large, and the one large get, let's say, 10k likes, and the 10 small get each 2k likes. So you have to consider what is good for you and have to be testing out, actually test out. So hire, and by the way, hire as many influencers as you can, which are going to be fitting your criteria, which we talked about. So you like them, you like their content, and you would be happy if they represent your brand. Okay, so this is it. And I hope this video was helpful to you out there, company owners, and looking to get into influencer marketing and create an affiliate marketing program, actually, and an influencer marketing program, which is helping, by the way, influencer too, as well as your company. And don't be cheap, guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice one.